camera focus, you'll notice that all eyes on you. Bust it open, I'ma throw a prize on you. When them lights flash, you seeing stacks cash.
Hey guys, welcome to our first DSLR tutorial. And this tutorial is going to be about how to batch file rename photos and video files, mainly .mov files from your DSLR camera. So right now I'm in Adobe Bridge, and Adobe Bridge is a asset manager, and it's actually very useful and good. And
when the camera focus, you'll notice that all eyes on you. Bust it open, I'ma throw a prize on you. When them lights flash, you seeing stacks cash. Come get this cameo on the dance floor. When the camera focus, you'll notice that all eyes on you. Bust it open, I'ma throw a prize on you. When them lights flash, you seeing stacks cash. Come get this cameo on the dance floor.
media production, photos, and yard pics. I took some basic yard pics today just for this tutorial, just messing around, so let's see. Okay, so as you can see from all these photos, you see it says DSC and then it has the number of whatever photo it was. But let's say we want to batch file rename everything so that it would be the same, so that way, because once you get so many photos, your camera counter, it'll reset. So then once you start opening up projects and stuff like that, and it's looking for the footage because you had to search for it, then it puts in the wrong footage and the wrong images. So you're like, what the? So it messes some things up. So we like to batch file rename, and it also helps for actually searching for an image. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up here to Tools, Batch Rename, or Control-Shift-R. I'm not sure what that is on a Mac. And you see, I already have one that says 69 Studios default, but this one's been modified. So for right now, let's go back to the default. And let's see. Destination folder, you can rename in the same folder. You can move to other folders, meaning it will copy and paste over to a different folder, or you can copy to another folder with straight copy and paste. So we're going to rename in the same folder. And for the text, it says new file names. You can have text, you can have dates, and it has a couple different attributes you can make, metadata, date and time, etc., etc., etc. So we're going to start off by taking all these out, and we're going to start off with text. So for the text, let's say these are yard pics, so I'm going to put yard underscore pics underscore. And right here you can delete a field or add a field. So we're going to add a field. So after yard pics, let's say we wanted the date. So we do date and time. As you see, date that it was created, today, yesterday, date modified. And the date created would be what was actually stored from the camera. So what we're going to do here is, this one says month, date, and year. Some people does the year first. I'm in the US, so I tend to like months, days, and year. So click that one. Then after that, we're going to click another text, and we're going to put a underscore. Then add another field and do another date and time. So for this one, I want the time. And for the time, put hours, minutes, and seconds. So basically, you can actually see what the current file name is right here. And you can also see what the new file name would be after it's processed. So you have the month, you have the day, you have the year, you have what hour, what minutes of the hour, and what seconds. So basically, after we have all of that done, we click compatibility. So if someone's editing on a Mac and you gave footage to them, it'll work, and vice versa. Not too many people use a Unix system, so you can check to be safe if you want. And just in case you really do want to get back to this current file name, you can actually just preserve that data right here. And inside this list, it should say preserved file name. So you can just go back and click it. So right now we're going to click rename. Give it a second. And now here that you can see it refreshed in Adobe Bridge, and now all of the pics have a new name. They are renamed with the date and the time. And just to prove it, you can actually go right here inside where the files are, and you can see all of the files have been renamed. Thanks for watching. See you next tutorial. Stacks cash, come get this cameo on the dance floor.